in case you guys are new here, my name is Diane and this is my grandma. But I'm gonna show you guys, actually this is my first time learning. We're gonna learn how to make Colombiana style empanadas. So this is my grandma, she made them years ago. And I was like, wait, why am I paying $5 for one empanada when she knows how to make it? And we're gonna make it now.
The small too.
Yeah, these are so tiny. Anyway, so these are the ingredients that we bought in case you forget. Cilantro, white onions. She has some garlic, sazon, but without achote. Red onions. We got some stewed beef. We couldn't find the beef she was looking for, but this is what it is. And then we got some seasoning. We're gonna do salt, Italian seasoning, black pepper or oregano. She's also gonna add some regular ground beef in there. Bouillon mix? I don't know, this one. And back in the day, she used to use a different type of flour. It doesn't exist anymore. So she's gonna try to use this one. This is the type. So I don't know what this is called in English, but it's basically like a red sauce. You can get it from here too, but I just forgot what it's called. It's in actual seed, and then they make it into an oil. So this is what they're gonna use. And yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna like watch what she does so I can reenact it later. We have 11 potatoes boiling. I think it's just random sizes, but I counted 11. It's kind of hard to record because she's just doing whatever, so I'm just trying to catch up with whatever she does. But 11 potatoes. Okay guys, so she's gonna put 2 green peppers. She's used 2 red onions and 3 white onions. And she's gonna blend that. Okay, so it seems like she put water up to the 400 underneath the, sorry no, 300. 300. Water, oregano, ¿qué más poniste? ¿No más oregano?
Cebolla, orégano y pimiento.
Smells good though. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. So I'm just gonna mix it in. Se me cayó dentro. Clearly, I don't cook. Oh, I feel so Spanish today. I just want to say, you guys, one mistake that I did in my life, not doing it earlier, was taking advantage of all of like my traditional foods that my parents and my grandparents would make me. They never taught me, and honestly, it was my fault because I should have asked. There's some cultures where like, you know, they'll teach you, but I was very grateful. I didn't learn nothing. I just sat down and I ate my food. But now that I'm getting older, I'm like, oh my god, I need to learn this. I need to learn these recipes. Like, I want to make these for my kids. I want to pass it along to the next generation. So if you guys have time, spend time with your family, spend time with your grandparents, learn those dishes, learn how to make it, pass it on to your family, learn your language. It's hard when you're Canadian because you just speak English here. You only speak English and you pick up like random accents because everyone's from everywhere around here. So yeah, learn it. It's hard. It's hard for me personally because the only reason why I understand and spoke Spanish and when I was little is because of her. I used to sleep over her house. I would eat all her food. So that's literally it. And then my parents, they're both Ecuadorian too. They're not born in Canada, they're born in Ecuador. However, they would speak to us in English and then they would speak to themselves in Spanish. I do understand it and I do know how to speak it, but being here for many years, you lose the language. And like now when I speak Spanish, I feel like my Spanish doesn't come out clear, or like I'll stumble words, but I can say it in my head, but I can't say it out loud. So I think it's just very important to keep your culture. Learn your culture, spend time with your culture, spend time with your family, and pass it. Sorry, this was like last minute pause. We decided to do this, but I was like, why not make a video out of this? Because I want to learn, you want to learn, we're gonna learn. If you guys remember Salsa St. Clair, my uncle's restaurant was actually there, and back then people didn't appreciate Spanish restaurants, to be honest. Now Spanish restaurants are everywhere. Like, my people and their food are making a killing, so shout out to them. But back then it wasn't really a place that people would go to. People wouldn't really go to a Spanish location. But my uncle's is right there, and every Salsa St. Clair, she would make all those empanadas. She made thousands of empanadas, and yeah, she got older, so her hand hurts, so she can't really make them anymore, but shout out to her. So she's gonna use 75% of this meat, I guess, and all she's doing is she's literally just gonna cut it up. So medium. Oh. I'm gonna do it up between 4 and 5. She did like 2 spoons of salt. If you guys want more spicy empanadas, you can definitely add jalapeno peppers pieces and as well like more black pepper.
Pueden
I don't
hacer,
like spice, but
pueden hacer un ají si quieren comerla con ají.
yeah, you can make it like, you can even put hot sauce in that and then add more flavor. I don't like spicy empanadas, so we're keeping it basic around here. So she let this simmer a little bit. Now she's throwing in the meat that she cut up. And as well, she's gonna mix in the ground beef. We're gonna mix that in all together and cook it basically. And now these are potatoes, they're almost done. Everything's looking gorgeous. Gorgeous. Mm. 2 more packs of sauce to add flavor. She don't like that. So we're just gonna let that simmer while these finish cooking. And as well, I forgot to say that we added cumin. She added like, I don't know, like 4 times. I mean like, she added like, I don't know. So all we did was just peel the potatoes and then we're just leaving it in the pot. Now she's just putting in the meat and then we're gonna mix it into the potato. And she says that basically after she mixes everything, it needs to basically cool down. It has to be super cold before we put it into the flour. This is basically the filling of the empanada. Camera light died, but basically she said your filling should look like this. I was like, why don't you put all of this, like the rest in? And she said it's because it will make the inside too wet, so you kind of want this kind of density, if that makes sense. It's like a pudding almost. So what she's doing right now is she's putting flour and water.
No quiere cuajar. No quiere hacer la masa. Tratar de coger con la blanca y esta.
We messed up the flour, so she's actually gonna go buy the flour tomorrow so we can do it. But she said she's gonna make this flour so we don't waste it. It is actually currently the next day. We did not buy the flour wrong once. We bought the flour wrong twice. Basically, we had to go get this one and this one. The only difference between all these corn flours is that this one says pre-cooked yellow cornmeal.
Your camera's dying, babe.
That was the only difference. So we're gonna attempt today, and I'm gonna take Aaron on this journey of colombiana empanadas.
Wait, why me?
You're gonna taste it. Don't have anything until you have
Please,
empanadas.
no, man.
Don't have anything until you have.
Well, I want to eat it, man.
Dile que coma la empanada.
I'm so hungry, yo.
Why?
Yo
No,
tengo
la
hambre.
fresca.
Oh, la quieres hacer.
Yo tengo hambre. Yo tengo hambre.
Oh my God, que se hizo loco.
My God.
Oh, ¿qué le pasó a este señor? La ambulancia, al 9911, al 991.
So this was actually the empanadas we made yesterday, but I told Aaron, no, we're not eating them. I finally got the flour. This is the flour. Guys, I feel like I'm not even cooking. I'm just watching. But I'll cook next time. Okay, so the first thing she's gonna do is she's gonna get the flour. She knows, she's been doing this, so she kind of knows the portions. If I did this first time, I probably wouldn't get it as fast. But basically, she puts the plastic in between this squisher device. I don't know where she got this from, but I'm pretty sure you can find it somewhere. And makes it flat. Then she opens it up, and you guys can see that it's in like a circular shape. She grabs the filling, she puts a spoonful in, and then again, you guys can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, it depends on your liking. And then she uses like basically a plate, a circular plate, to create a crust. Alright, let's show you guys. So you guys can make actually small or big, doesn't matter. It's the same process. You're just using the, what do you call it? You're using.
Estas son como las que venden en la...
Yeah, this is the size that we usually sell at the regular
Así
store.
las hay, las que venden.
We like the big ones here. I'm an empanada maker now. So she said a Colombian salad, like they usually do, again, we don't know. They do red onions with cilantro and then they make it like sour. I'm gonna add tomatoes to mine because I like tomatoes in my salad. And then I'm gonna put hot sauce, so it's like a spicy salad for the empanadas. That's like the best way to eat it. You have to have the salad. So I'm gonna make that right now. Okay, very quickly, I'm gonna show you guys. We put the onions with water and salt to clean it. This is so good. This one is spicy. The only thing that makes it spicy is you just put hot sauce in it. And yeah, salt, pepper, lemon, lime, cilantro, onion, and hot sauce. This one is salt, pepper, lemon, lime, tomatoes, onions, and cilantro.
These are the best Colombian empanadas I ever had in my life, and I've had a few.
Some actual Colombians, right? I know.
I'm not even boosting her. The inside, the filling.
What'd you give it out of 10?
I like my shell a bit harder.
Mm-hmm.
But
That's what I felt like the other one had yesterday, because these ones are really thin. She likes it thin.
I like the shell a bit harder, but the inside, I have to give it like a 9.
That's crazy.
Like, it's really up there.
Did you
like,
try with the hot sauce? You just put a little bit of, well, it's not that hot, but I can make it hotter. You just put a little bit in there. You didn't like it?
This isn't a hot sauce.
Oh, maybe, okay, I need to put, I was
There's
scared.
no pepper in it.
I was supposed to make it hotter.
It's
but I'm
onions and
scared.
cilantro. Where's the pepper?
It's in there. It's mixed inside.
It's not hot
Okay, well, I
sauce.
was scared. I don't eat anything spicy, so I was scared to
This
make
is
it.
not hot sauce.
This is hot sauce, a little spicy. It's a little. You can taste a little, no?
No.
So this one's the one that we made yesterday. Hold on. So I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a thicker. It was like a thicker dough. I personally like that because I like patties, but she wants it like this. So the dough is thinner and like it's just more thinner. Not that much big of a difference, but for her, it was the world of a difference. So
No,
yeah.
for sure it's different. Because look, with this one, like, you bend it and stuff.
Yeah.
Because it's a thin dough.
This one's thick.
just breaks.
I think Aaron would like this one, to be honest. I like thicker doughs too. So I think he would like this one, but it's just the Colombian way is that way. So, or we don't even know actually. 'Cause I don't even know if it's Colombian way, but it's my grandma's way. It is now later on in the day. My grandma has left. So basically, in order to store these, you are basically gonna freeze them on flat trays. So they look like this right now. You're gonna freeze them like this. They need to be on flat trays or else they're gonna break. There were a few of them that broke in my freezer because my freezer is not big enough. So that's why. Simply able to get them frozen and put them away into a Ziploc bag. Now I have empanadas for a good, I would say a few months, to be honest. Again, this can last up to a year, she said. I don't think they're gonna last in this house for more than maybe 2 months. It's hot. It's hot. Sorry, guys. This is a bad food review. I'm burning myself. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and to share and comment if you guys are gonna make this, or tell me a plate that you are gonna try to make with your family members. I really want to know. Or comment down a plate that you guys want me to try out. Love it, hate it, but just enjoy it. Bye, guys. I'm gonna try to take. I'm just gonna. This is Aaron's food, but I might just take right now because it's hot.
Wait, why are you eating my food?
I'm sorry.
Can I get it back?
I ate like 12 of them already, guys. Like, I'm not even joking. I ate 12 of them. I can make it crispier, but I didn't want it on the camera to look burnt. So,
this is good.
okay, because I was gonna make it crispier for you, but I'm like, but then it's,
Actually, this is
then they're gonna think I don't know how to fry. So good. So good. Bye.